Namaskar. How can someone who by nature is an introvert grow their social skills so as to create beautiful, flourishing relationships? You may be an introvert or you may know someone who is, so please watch until the end of this video to find out the useful tips that we share here. You know, there's a saying in English that drop by drop, the bucket is full. And for someone who's an introvert, they can start with small-scale interactions, greeting the neighbor, chatting with the cashier in the grocery store. You know, we all have our own limitations. So we can go out and engage in these types of conversations as and when we feel confident and come back into our shell when we're not yet ready to go out more. And, you know, many people have overcome this problem. And we should read their stories, find out how they have overcome this problem. And they develop to such an extent they can even do public speaking, and they do networking also. They've learned how to thrive in extroverted environments. So in this way, sometimes the introversion, we can help this challenge by developing our emotional intelligence. That means that being aware of our limitation, our shyness, and overcoming this through, again, watching how others do it, practicing. And so slowly and gradually, we can become more extroverted in our nature. When we listen to others with empathy, we actually open them up, inviting them implicitly to speak more about themselves. And that will help to create a beautiful, flourishing relationship. Sometimes the introverted nature is due to some inferiority complex that we have. But we are not inferior to anyone because all are children of one Supreme Father. When we remember this, then it helps us to overcome any feeling of inferiority that may arise. And doing some daily self-affirmations like, I'm capable of building meaningful connections. In this way, we can overcome our introverted nature. Maybe you have an affirmation yourself that you could share in the chat below the video. And introverts can take inspiration from the fact that sometimes someone who's too extrovert can be very annoying. We all have friends who talk too much or eat too much or very impulsive. And so I have a colleague who talks so much, it's very hard to be around such type of person for a long time. And also, our teaching recommends a balance between introversion and extroversion. The practice of meditation is an introverted practice. You know, we may find a meditation group in our city or nearby, and they will appreciate someone who's introverted because this is very helpful in the practice of meditation. In meditation, we introvert our mind. We try to disconnect from our sensory and motor organs, direct that mind towards supreme consciousness with the help of our personal mantra. But outside of meditation, then that's the time we are extrovert. We do actions which benefit others and the society. And so in this way, we keep a healthy balance between our inner nature and our outer extroverted nature. So in brief, developing our social skills to overcome this problem of introversion is a matter of patience, practice, and perseverance. Find someone who has overcome it, learn from them, daily affirm your self-worth through affirmations, and appreciate and love an introverted nature, which is so helpful for the practice of meditation. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who may also benefit from the suggestions we've given here. Thank you. Namaskar.